Freshly caught blue crabs go straight into a sizzling wok over an open fire, where garlic, onions, tomatoes, and local seasonings create an incredibly aromatic base. As the crabs cook, they absorb every bit of flavor while releasing their naturally sweet juices, creating a rich and savory seafood dish that perfectly represents traditional Filipino island cooking. Prepared beside the shoreline using nothing but fresh ingredients and a wood fire, this meal captures the true spirit of island life. Every step is simple yet authentic, allowing the natural sweetness of the fresh seafood to shine, while the smoky aroma from the open fire adds another layer of flavor. Watching everything cook outdoors beside the water makes the entire experience feel fresh, relaxing, and deeply connected to nature. Once fully cooked, the tender crab meat is enjoyed with hot steamed rice and a flavorful dipping sauce, creating a seafood feast that's both comforting and satisfying. From the crackling fire to the stunning coastal scenery and the freshness of the day's catch, this is more than just a meal. It's an authentic sea-to-stomach adventure that celebrates Filipino coastal cooking at its finest.